Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to create a landing page on Squarespace website in 2024. So whether you are in a need of a new landing page for a product, maybe launch or something like that, or maybe an event, or maybe also a special promotion. So in this tutorial, we'll guide you through the steps on how to create one. So make sure to stick by, let's dive right into the video and simply let's get started.
Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience.
First, you'll need to go and open a browser. For me here, I'm using Brave. For you, you can use the story you want. Once you open that browser, basically just go to the URL section, type squarespace.com, hit the enter button, and if it's your first time, of course, you'll be taken to this page. So in here, as you can see, you'll be able to click in here to log in into your account if you have an account. And if you don't have an account, you can click on get started to create an account And as you can see here, you can use a Google account, Apple account, or Facebook account if you don't want to get through all the boring steps of creating or even logging in into your account. So once you're logged in normally, you'll be taken to the account dashboard right away. There, of course, you'll find all the websites that you have. So just go and select the one, of course, that you want to create a landing page on. If you don't have like a website yet, you can simply just go here, click on create a website. If you need some guidance, I've already made a video about this on how to create a website. I've even showed you how to create a website using AI if you need some guidance with it. So you can go and check videos in this channel. So for me, I'll just go to this OmXSys website as an example to try and create a landing page for something. I don't know what is it, but I'll just create a landing page. For what purpose? It's actually up to you to do it. So basically here, once you create your website or you just choose the website that you want and you access it, it's time to go and create a page. So how to create a page? Simply go to this list panel. As you can see in their website, you'll find pages. If you are selecting other thing, you may not find pages. So click on website, then click on pages. Once you click on it, so you have two options to create a page. You have this main navigation option and this not linked option. So if you create a page or click on this plus button on the main navigation, this will create a page and it will be placed here in the main navigation so people can click on it depending on whatever you name it. If you want it to be added to the main navigation. If you don't care about it, as an example, you can simply just go here and click on not linked and it will create a page, of course, the landing page that you want, but it will not be included in the main navigation. You can include it later if you want. So for me, I'll just go and add it in the main navigation. So I'll click on this plus button so I can add that page. You can, of course, it's up to you. If you want to start from blank page, like totally blank page, white page, you can start from page layouts, use some designer layouts, scheduling example, if you want to book some appointments or classes. You have for collection, you have blog page, store page, portfolio, events as example, if you want to showcase upcoming events, if you want to create a full library videos, you can create a page for that as example. You can create a page for courses. You can do that, of course, if you want to create a page for some member sites, for drop down as example, if you want to organize and show more pages. And here you can create a link page as example, which is linked to page or external sites as well. So basically, once you do so, what you'll need to do is go and choose the landing page that you want, depending on whatever you're trying to create landing page for. As we said, for me, as an example, let's say I'll just go and start with a blank page. Why not? Of course, for the title, name it whatever suits you. For me, I'll just name it like landing page and hit the enter button. Once I do so, as you can see, the page will be created. I created an empty page, and as you can see, it's added in the main navigation. So if I click on another page, I'll be taken there. If I click on the landing page, I'll be taken to that specific page. So in here, as you can see, you'll be able to go and start creating or designing your page however you want. You can simply go here to the style edit, and in here, you'll be able to edit the themes, the fonts, the colors, the buttons, the forms, the miscellaneous. As an example, you'll be able to edit multiple stuff about it. Of course, it's up to you to do whatever suits you with it. So for me, as an example, once you create like a new blank page, you can simply just start adding before like even editing starts. You can start adding sections to it. You can start by a blank section. You can choose some of the saved sections that you have, or you can choose one of the things or the recommendations that they give you here. So it's up to you to choose whatever suits you. Just add the pages or add the sections that you need. And with that, of course, make sure to add the blocks with it. Of course, as you can see here, you can even choose from a lot. So from intro, normally a landing page starts with an intro, so you can start with the intro. Other than that, you can add like a contact section, about, people, products, service, portfolios, testimonials, events, codes, digital like products, scheduling, donations, images, videos, menus like forms, charts, audios, a lot of stuff as you can see. If you click on anything, you'll find multiple options to choose from as an example. So don't worry, as an example, you have a lot of choices. So example, I'll just start with this intro in this section, and I'll create another section, and I'll keep it blank as example if you want to add any add-ons to that landing page of yours. So in here, as example, you can add any block that you want. As you can see, a lot of things to add from. In here, if you want to link some social media, if you want to add some text, some images, some videos, example, about the thing that you're trying to promote or something like that. And make sure to basically customize your page until it's match your needs. Add some sections, banners, images, blocks, whatever you want. And if you want, as an example, some specific call to action button, you can simply add it. You can simply just go and click on add a block, choose, of course, a button, just go and drag it out in here, click on this pen, and you can, of course, choose the button, the content of it. You can attach a link to it, as an example, URL, maybe a page, as an example, if you want to, maybe a file, an email, a phone. It's up to you. Like learn more on the landing page is good, and maybe when people click on it, they'll be taken to another URL, or they will be able to download maybe a file that has all the details, maybe a PDF file about your whatever you're trying to have in this landing page. So other than that, basically customize your page however you want, and once you finish, don't forget to customize your page also for mobile view. If you, as you can see, so in desktop view, this button looks in the middle good, but in mobile view, as you can see, it looks in here. It suck, does not look good, especially if you add something by your own. If it's pre-customized by Squarespace, you'll find it's already good by default on for mobile view, but for desktop or for things that you added by your own, it will not look good. So make sure to customize this for phone as well. So an example in here, desktop will not be touched if you change something in mobile view. Keep that in mind. Once you finish, just click on save at the top left corner, then click on save, and you should be good to go. You can preview the changes that you made, publish your site if you want with your landing page, and you should be good to go. So that's going to be it for me today. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. So goodbye.